In this video we will show how to set a player account's profile picture, using the Games Studio website, the Player Pages website, and the Online Player Accounts Services API. First, the Games Studio website. We search for the player account we want to upload a new player account picture for. Click the Manage button, select Edit Profile. Click the Choose File button and select the image to upload. Save the change. There, that account's profile picture has been updated. We can also delete a profile picture, again through the Edit Profile page. The placeholder image is now shown, indicating there is no uploaded picture to show. Next, using the Player Pages website. The steps are nearly identical to the ones we have just used. Click on the player account placeholder image. Click Edit Profile. Click the Choose File button and select the image to upload. Save the change. The player account's profile picture has been updated. We can also delete a profile picture through the Edit Profile page. The placeholder image is now displayed. Finally, we can change the player profile's picture using the Online Player Accounts Services API. This section uses the Solar 2D Lua project called Online Player Accounts Call Methods. Subscribers to the Online Player Accounts and Player Pages service can download this from the Games Studio website. Don't worry if you are not using the Solar 2D Games engine or the Lua language to write your games or apps. You should still be able to follow this section quite easily, as all our services API methods have been written so they are easily translatable between languages that support HTTPS POST requests, and all responses are encoded in JavaScript object notation. Before we can run the Set Player Account Profile Picture method, we need to provide a text file containing a base64 encoded image. If we look at the Solar 2D project's module main.lua, we can see that it is expecting at runtime to find a file called base64 string image in the Corona Simulator's documents folder. If we launch the project in the Corona Simulator, we can see that the image file isn't found in the documents folder. We need to encode an image to base64, store the string in a text file and copy it into place, so the simulator can find it and use it. There are several websites that provide an encoding service. They operate in much the same way. You upload an image to be converted. Click a Convert button. Copy the generated base64 string to your clipboard. Paste it from the clipboard into an empty text file. Save the text file under the name base64 string image. The last step is to copy this text file into the target documents folder. In the running Corona Simulator, we browse to the Sandbox project folder's Documents subfolder to copy the text file into it. Now we can relaunch the project, and this time the text file called base64 string image is found, and the simulator displays a success message. We can now continue and call the Set Player Account Profile Picture method. The main.lua module stores the base64 encoded string image into the string variable called player account image. The Set Player Account Picture function uses this variable to pass the base64 string into the API request. We ensure the Boolean variable clear image flag is set to false. Then we unremark the Set Player Account Picture function, save all the changes and relaunch the project. The project runs and we can see the response to the API request contains no errors, meaning the call was successful. We can visually check this has happened by refreshing the player account's detail page. The profile picture has been updated with the image we uploaded. If we switch to this account's player page and refresh it, we can see the change here as well. We can also check this by running the getPlayerAccountPicture function. We remark out the set function and unremark this get function. Save the changes and relaunch the simulator. The response contains two base 64 encoded strings. One string represents the full-size player account image, and the other a thumbnail size version. Finally, we will clear the player account picture using the set function. In the set player account picture function, we set the clear image Boolean parameter to true, save the change, and relaunch the project. Again, no errors means the API request was successful. When we refresh the player account detail page, we can see the placeholder image is displayed, indicating no image has been uploaded. And again, switching to this account's player page and refreshing it also shows the change. Now we can unremark the getPlayerAccountPicture function and rerun the project. This time the JSON-encoded response shows that both the full image and thumbnail image key-value pairs are now set to an empty string. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and can see how easy it is to use our Games Studio website and API service. When you sign up for the Player Account and Player Pages service, you can use it for free to explore the API, while using developer-only accounts and a developer API key. Only after you create a live account, or make a call using a live API key, will the service's subscription become active. And again, thank you for watching this video.